Hello and welcome to this video. Many of you, in some comments, have sent me questions about how I make video transcriptions. As you can see, most of my videos have subtitles, and although this may sound quite laborious and tedious, the truth is that I do it in a very simple and practical way, and this is also a benefit that it will allow you. Being able to reach a larger audience, as other people who don't speak your native language could use YouTube's subtitles feature and translate your subtitles into their preferred language. For which I want to highlight the importance of being able to have subtitles in your videos. And I can also say that if our channel is not very big, it would not be convenient to make subtitles. But the truth is that it will always be convenient. Because if you generate evergreen content as I do, this content will probably be consulted from here a few 3 or 4 more years, and for which it is convenient for me to be able to write subtitles, and even as a measure of inclusion, since there are people who prefer to play the videos only by reading the subtitles of these, so that thus we can achieve a greater range. Well, I want to introduce you to the tool, and you will have already seen it in some previous videos, which is TypeStudio. So in this video, what we're going to do is try to show you how to use this tool so that your content can reach a larger audience. And so without anything to add, let's go to the computer. To caption our YouTube videos, we're going to go to our channel and we're going to go to YouTube Studio. And in my case, I'm going to caption this video here. Now, an important step before pasting the subtitle of our video is to generate the automatic YouTube subtitles. We are going to automatically synchronize, and we are ready. Obviously, these subtitles are not going to be 100% correct. Always YouTube auto subtitles have a lot of errors, so please use another tool to get the subtitles more accurately. So let's go to TypeStudio and give it Get Start. If you don't have an account, you can go to a previous video. I'm leaving it on a card in which I show the process of creating an account in TypeStudio. When they enter your account, they will see the list of projects that you are going to have. Click on New Project and paste the link to your video. Done. Hit the arrow to the right and wait for your video to load. We hope that it reaches 100%, and with this we have obtained the subtitles of our video. Obviously there are a few small fixes to do, but generally this platform gives you a much better quality of subtitles than YouTube's automatic subtitles. So we're going to quickly go through all of these subtitles to make sure there aren't any mistakes, and we'll go through everything on camera quickly, so we don't waste too much time on this. Once we have corrected our video and we already have the correct transcription, we click on Export, we go to Text, we select the option of the Copy Text to Clipboard action. It is the only option we have to use for free in TypeStudio, since if we want to export the SRT file that is used in YouTube, it will ask us to have a payment plan. So we just copy the text to our clipboard, paste it here where we generate the subtitles. Now, why did I ask you in the beginning to create the subtitles automatically? Because YouTube is going to take care of being able to organize these subtitles in a timeline, so that you simply put edit as text, paste all the text of the subtitles that we copied previously, and YouTube will automatically accommodate it by replacing the subtitles that they generated with these new captions. By now, you will more or less understand what I am saying. Now, as we can automatically see, YouTube has already accommodated in a timeline all the transcription that we placed on it. It is important that we create the automatic YouTube subtitles in advance and then replace it with the new subtitles. In this way, I subtitle my videos is the fastest and most efficient way I know so far. Even if you have any other method with which you make the subtitles of your videos, you can leave it in the comments, since it could serve as a recommendation to many more people. And now look, we are going to watch the video. And as we can see, we already have our subtitles in a fast and efficient way. And as a bonus, another advantage of this tool is that you can use the translation part, and you can select languages like French, Italian, German, English, so that you can translate these subtitles and be able to generate other titles in different languages so that you can reach a larger audience. And well, I hope this video has been very useful to you. You can leave me your like so you can support me to continue bringing more content like this. And if you like the content of this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave a part below. And with me, it will be until a next video.